No, the more that he can.
Eyes of steel and paws like wheels. Well, he's blazing fast, running through the grass. Sleeping all day.
No, the more that he can.
Welcome to the Wildlife Corridor of the Future. I'm the classroom teacher, Ms. Ferber, and I would like to introduce the students of Room 20, 4th grade at Woodlake Elementary Community Charter in Woodland Hills. They have been researching the importance of the creation of a wildlife corridor in the nearby Santa Monica Mountains. The children and their animals will teach you why each and every one is so very important to the environment.
I could work all kinds of magic, but it's not strong enough to help the animals. I really need your help, ladies and gentlemen.
In my 4th grade class at Woodlake Elementary Charter School, we are learning about the importance of wildlife in the Santa Monica Mountains. Even though we are kids, we can be part of solving the problem of animals being hurt or killed trying to cross the freeway.
I'm a 4th grader learning about the wildlife corridor. To me, the importance of the wildlife corridor is that when animals want to cross, they will have a safe way to do it. Animals are less likely to go under because of noise and feeling too closed in. An overpass would feel more natural to them.
I am a tortoise. I'm important in the Santa Monica Mountains because I eat insects, snails, frogs, toads, snakes, birds' eggs, small mammals, which keeps them from overpopulating. I'm the cottontail rabbit, and I'm important to the ecosystem because coyotes and mountain lions eat rabbits. But don't worry because there are so many of us here in the mountains.
I am a duck. I travel in a flock with other ducks. I live near the water, but every day my flock and I have to cross the freeway. We are able to fly over, but we would love to have the opportunity to walk across on the corridor.
I'm a bat that lives in the Santa Monica Mountains. I'm important to the ecosystem because I spread fruit seeds, help pollinate flowers, and eat insect pests.
I am a western diamondback rattlesnake. I am important to the ecosystem by keeping birds and rodents from overpopulating.
I'm lizard, and I'm important to the ecosystem because I keep the population of insects in balance. If an animal bites off my tail, it will regrow. I'm also a part of the food chain because foxes, coyotes, and hawks eat lizards.
I'm a skunk, and I'm important to the ecosystem because my favorite treats are insects. I eat everything from beetles to grubs and grasshoppers.
I'm a frog. I'm important to the ecosystem because I eat flies and bugs, keep them away from your house. And I get eaten by snakes and lizards, so I'm a part of the food chain.
I'm a great egret. I am one of the largest birds that lives in the Santa Monica Mountains. I need an open habitat for feeding. The corridor will help to provide that space for me. I'm a butterfly. Here's the reason people should protect my species. I spread pollen to flowers to help the seeds develop. I eat nectar, tree sap, dung, pollen, and rotting poop. My lifespan is 3 through 4 weeks in summer and 7 through 8 months in winter. I'm a goat. I'm important to the Santa Monica Mountains because I eat the plants that grow wildly on the mountains. Therefore, the plants don't get overgrown, and this helps prevent fires. I also clear hiking paths for hikers by eating the plants. I'm the turkey vulture, and I'm a bird who doesn't make nests. I lay eggs in random places. I'm important to the ecosystem because I clean up dead animals like deer when I eat them.
I am a mallard duck. I like fresh water. I like to make my home in tiny ponds of deep mud and grasslands. I often spend time in the pond at King Gillette Ranch.
I'm an Anna's hummingbird, and I'm important to the Santa Monica Mountains because I help pollinate flowers.
I'm a green parrot that now lives in the Santa Monica Mountains even though I'm not a native species. I do not harm the native ecosystem. Most people seem to enjoy seeing and hearing me fly by in my flocks.
I'm a ladybug. I am very beneficial to our environment. because I eat tiny insects that can destroy crops and gardens. My entire life cycle is only 4 to 7 weeks.
I'm a butterfly that lives in the Santa Monica Mountains. I pollinate plants and eat aphids in addition to leaves.
Hi, I'm a steelhead trout. I am an endangered species. You can find me in the streams and coastal lagoons of the Santa Monica Mountains. Since I'm still young, I will stay in the stream for a couple of years before adding out to the open ocean to spawn. Unfortunately, existing land uses prevent me from passing in and out from the streams in Southern California. I am endangered because non-native fish eat my eggs, and that makes my population suffer. For me to survive in Southern California, I need streams with year-round water flow.
I am a lamb, also known as a baby mountain sheep. I eat grass, so when I need to walk across some more grass, I need a safe way to get there. Currently, I live in a corral in Old Agora. Previously, I was introduced to the area by Spanish ranchers.
I am the wild turkey. I help the ecosystem by eating spiders, snails, slugs, salamanders, very small snakes, worms, grasses, vines, flowers, acorns, buds, seeds, fruits, clovers, dogwood, blueberries, cherries, hickory nuts, beech nuts, and others. My waste helps fertilize the land.
I'm a bumblebee. I'm a social insect. I need the pollen from flowers to make honey. I have 4 wings. I attack if I feel in danger.
I'm a fox. I eat mice and rodents so they don't go in your house and overpopulate. I am a mule deer. I can run as fast as 40 miles per hour. I am a good swimmer. I eat grass, twigs, and bark. When I finish eating on one side of the freeway, I need a safe way to cross. The Santa Monica corridor will help me get across safely.
My fur is brown, but I'm a black bear. Currently, I am not found in the Santa Monica Mountains, but if you build me a corridor, maybe I will migrate here from the San Gabriels.
I'm a coyote, and I have a very developed sense of smell, which I use for finding food and avoiding dangerous predators. I also use my sense of smell to locate prey that is scurrying on the ground.
We are coyotes. We help prevent overpopulation of rodents and birds because along with berries, they are a large part of our diet.
I am good for the environment because my diet plays an important role. It helps prevent species such as rabbits and deer from having too large a population.
I live between 10 to 14 years. An average sized litter for us would be about 6 pups. I live in the Santa Monica Mountains. I sing to communicate with my family and to keep track of them.
The coyote is a teacher of hidden wisdom with a sense of humor. Our symbolism is associated with a deep magic of life and creation. I am also known as the song dog when I look to the sky and howl.
I am a squirrel. I spend most of my time in a tree, but I go to the ground to search for acorns or other nuts. I also eat the shoots of young plants. I'm active primarily during the day and spend nights up in the trees asleep. I build a nest of leaves and twigs. Unfortunately, I'm a delicacy for coyotes, so I rely on my strong hind legs, dexterity, and agility to escape.
I'm a red-tailed hawk. I have distinct high-pitched call. I soar above open fields and slowly turn circles on my broad, rounded wings. I frequently ride the thermals with my eyes on the ground, looking for prey. I would like to look down on the corridor and possibly spot my next meal.
I'm a crow. I don't need the wildlife crossing, but I like to fly over and see the animals crossing safely.
I'm a raccoon. I am a native resident, but I have become a member of the group known as urban wildlife like the coyote. I'm an omnivore, which means that I eat meat, fruit, and plants. I am a wild animal. However, I do frequently enjoy meals and fresh water offered to me on Miss Ferber's patio.
I'm a bobcat. I'm an adaptable predator that lives on the urban edge. I prefer rabbits, but I will hunt insects, chickens, small rodents, and even an animal as large as a deer. I am territorial and mostly solitary. Sometimes I am mistaken for a house cat or even a cougar.
Puma, panther, catamount, mountain cat. I am the cougar that lives in the Santa Monica Mountains. I am solitary and shy, so people rarely are lucky enough to catch a glimpse of me. I am strong and fast and able to catch my prey. Deer, raccoons, and rabbits, whose populations I help keep under control. I usually have 2 to 4 kittens in a litter. I need those who care to help me to ensure that my kittens will not be inbred and therefore they will be more healthy and genetically diverse.
Honor the sacred, honor the earth, our mother. Honor the elders, honor all with whom we share the earth. 4-leggeds, 2-leggeds, winged ones, swimmers, crawlers, plant and rock people, walk in balance and beauty.
Eyes of steel and paws like wheels. Well, he's blazing fast, running through the grass. Sleeping all day and hunting through the night. Looking for his prey in the bright moonlight. Mr. Coyote, nowhere to go. Mr. Coyote, no place to roam. Mr. Coyote, so sad and alone. Mr. Coyote, oh, where is your home? Where's your home? Where's your home? Where's your home? Where's your home? He's sniffing out hunters from miles away. Running for his life, but he can't get away. We want the coyote to live and be free. He deserves a life just like you and just like me. Mr. Coyote, nowhere to go. Mr. Coyote, no place to roam. Mr. Coyote, so sad and alone. Mr. Coyote,